How to find draft reels on Instagram. In order to do that, just head over and click on this plus icon right here and then hover to this reel option. Now you can see that it will pop up a continue editing your last draft. You can head over and then open that. However, if on some cases if you won't see that particular pop-up, the Instagram has recently added this draft options as you can see right here. Just head over and click on draft, and then you should be able to see in here the draft that you have just created. So from in there, you can also see some drafts that is actually created months ago or years ago if you want to as well. You can click on these three dots in order to send, schedule, name, or delete it. So for example, let's try to edit it out. Let's click on this right here, and then you should be able to edit the cover, write captions, add hashtags, and do as you please, like a normal reels that you want to post on Instagram. So that's how you find draft reels on Instagram. Hope we helped.